An electronic parking brake gets stuck when the actuator motor fails, the battery dies, or the brake pads freeze to the rotor. The most immediate solution is to locate the manual override tool provided by the manufacturer. You will usually find this specialized tool in the trunk with your spare tire kit, along with a dedicated access port hidden under the trunk floor lining. Insert the tool into the manual release slot and turn it counterclockwise. You will need to apply steady pressure and keep turning until you hear a distinct mechanical click or feel the tension completely release from the rear wheels. This process manually retracts the parking brake cable or unwinds the electric motor gear, depending on your exact system design. If your car does not have a manual release cable in the trunk, you have to approach the problem directly at the rear wheels. Safely lift the rear of the vehicle with a jack and support it with jack stands. Locate the electronic parking brake motor, which is a black plastic cylinder bolted directly to the back of the brake caliper assembly. Disconnect the electrical wiring harness connected to the parking brake motor to ensure no accidental power engages the system. Use an Allen wrench or Torx bit to remove the two mounting bolts holding the actuator motor to the brake caliper. Carefully pull the motor straight back and off the caliper housing. With the motor removed, you will see a splined shaft exposed inside the back of the caliper. Insert a matching Torx bit into this exposed shaft and turn it clockwise to manually wind back the brake piston. You will feel the brake pads loosen their grip on the brake rotor, allowing the wheel to spin freely. Keep in mind that manually retracting the parking brake piston means you no longer have a functioning emergency brake system. You will see a flashing brake warning light on your dashboard, and you must rely entirely on your transmission's park gear to hold the car. Have the system properly diagnosed and the actuator motor replaced immediately to restore full safety functionality.